Hey everybody, today I'm showing you the HIBREW H10B. It's a stainless steel espresso machine with adjustable temperature volume. These doors were kind enough to send me one to review. Let's see what's inside. Just like other motors that I've covered, this has suction cups. The bottom. This is just a bunch of things, accessories that are available. Very inclusive with this. It's brushed stainless steel. Goes to the water container. Here, you want to remove this before using them for the first time. Also, these removable items, you want to wash them, which is a standard. They're suction cup, pretty strong. There's an unlock sign there, and there's a lock sign to lock and unlock. Just put that there. Then I put it here. This is the back. Shows you the minimum and maximum as far as the size. So this is the first time I'm connecting it. This actually, I think, heats it up. The H10B also has the same thing. It reduces your temperature. It tells you that it's ready to go. I think if you hold this, you'll be able to change how much you want to make. This has shortcuts if you want these two. I can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. This is the pre-brew time, which can be changed. This is where you actually adjust the steam right there. This is everything that you get. You can use this as a tamper. This is the scoop. I'm just going to fill this with water. I just put my water there. Let's make sure that it's actually lined up correctly. Let's say I want some hot water. Once these lights are on, it's gonna wait 5 seconds. It's gonna go and count, and now I'm gonna get some raw hot water. There we go. For the first coffee, I'm just gonna use this, which is the normal standard pressurized 1 cup basket. Just put this here. So this is the coffee I'm using. Can obviously clean these parts with a brush before putting it in the machine. Gonna put this here. I'm putting a press this. The pre-brew time is 5 seconds. So this is a very low amount. If I want to change this, I can press this and then increase that. And if you see my setting here, I think it's pretty good. So thankfully it wasn't too much. I wasn't exactly sure about the volume. Even though I just used regular coffee that I bought, still looks pretty decent.